Is Europe is it very weak that cannot answer the Erdogan's situation? Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you. Well, the European Parliament refuses any type of blackmail from Erdogan, from Orban. We refuse any type of blackmail. We can't be blackmailed. What's more, this week a debate is due to be held on this subject, on the indiscriminate attacks carried out by Turkey in these regions. And let me say once again something that I've said before. A country's interest is legitimate in defending its territory, its citizens, its country. But if action is carried out, it needs to be carried out according to the principles of international law. And that's not what's happening with Erdogan's government. Erdogan is not legitimate in preparing for an election campaign and using this indiscriminate violence. This is not in line with the principles of international law. So we are going to be standing firmly against his action there. Thank you.